Friday. Yay! That means it's Kylie Minogue Day. Yay!
What do you mean day? It's been week.
Kylie Minogue's new album come out today, Friday. How exciting. Yeah.
Well, even the dogs are now. You've got them brainwashed. Excuse me.
What? What?
5 days you've been wearing that.
Yeah, I'm wearing the same shirt to give Kylie good luck. Because you know what? If she goes to number one, she'll be the first person ever to have a number one in 5 decades. The 80s, 90s, 2000, 2010, and 2020.
Okay, we're here to make a cocktail.
Even Madonna didn't do that. And look, I got a haircut just for Kylie too. Oh, do you like it?
Oh, sorry, it's the Tom show. Hang on, I'll move out the road. You ready? Go.
Yeah, good. Bye.
All right, so Friday, we're here with another cocktail. Now, this cocktail came about by accident. So we're over at our friend's place, Jewelchic.
Oh, yeah. Look, they've got all her stuff here.
And she was hosting a dinner party, and the barman didn't turn up. So, the nice person that I am, I jumped in to help them, and we created this concoction of basically what she had in the house.
It was actually really nice too. See, they're the glasses. They're like rainbows. Yeah.
Can we talk about the cocktail?
Yeah, come on.
So, what I'm making tonight is a salted caramel martini, espresso martini. So, it's a take on the old espresso martini.
Sorry, I just had to get my gloves.
Oh, for God's sake. How are you going to open the bottles with those on?
I might get corona.
Anyway.
This protects you from corona. See?
Where's your mask? Alright, so, as always, you need to have a bottle of Mr. Black. One of the best things for making espresso martini. And as you can see, we're actually fortunate enough to get our names on the bottles.
Yeah, that's not Mr. Black. That's Mr. Thomas.
No, Mr. Walsh and Mr. Mott.
That's my surname. Yeah. What's yours?
Oh God, is this dress up day?
Oh.
You need a bottle of salted caramel flavoured vodka.
Yeah.
Espresso coffee, some ice, and some coffee beans. And that's it. Really simple to make.
So I open it?
Why are you opening mine?
I'm opening yours. I don't want to open mine. Mine's for special occasions, like when I have friends over to drink. Oh, don't touch my ice. That's my job. It's in a lovely, see all the little bowls, and you get all that stuff, and the glasses. Oh, they're so nice. Ooh.
And where do we get all this stuff?
Oh, so this is from Jewelchic, and all the money goes to the ONJ Foundation, and you buy it from house. Olivia Newton-John. The people know who ONJ is. Only like bogans like him don't know. Hang on, so put the ice in. Ooh, look at that. It's happy. Yeah.
Then, did you open this?
I took the plastic off.
Good. Splash of Mr. Black.
Oh, this stuff is like heaven. See, it's got my name on it.
A splash of vodka.
Oh, sorry. You have to do that again.
Another splash of vodka.
That was a trick.
Alright. Bit of espresso coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
What else?
That's it.
Oh.
What do you think it was going to be magic? Right. Shake.
Oh, hang on. It's better if I do it in gloves.
If you spill this...
Yeah. See, it stops your hands getting cold. And it
You know
gets
what
rid
you
of the
actually
noise.
look like?
What?
A really bad Lucy
Oh, I love it. Like,
from the 50s.
that makes you Desi Arnaz, doesn't it? No, Desi Arnaz. Yeah, the non-English speaking person. Yeah. I'm the gorgeous redhead, see?
Alrighty, so once you've done that, what you need to do is make sure you sieve it
I didn't put my apron on properly. It holds better if I do it.
into a martini glass.
Oh, hang on. It's too quick. Oh, yes. Oh.
And then delicately,
Don't touch that bit.
delicately
This is my job.
put
Coffee
3
bean.
coffee beans. Not 2. Delicately.
Yeah, I did it delicately. Look.
You don't want to kill the froth.
Oh. Delicately.
And look at that.
No. Look at that. You put that on rice bubbles in the morning for breakfast.
Most people have it. Did you know that you should actually have this drink after dinner because coffee and coffee liqueur is a really good digestive. So it's great for one of those decadent parties.
Have it for breakfast.
Have a salted caramel martini for dessert.
That is
and it will
really
help
nice.
with your tummy.
Salted caramel martini, 2 thumbs up. Oh, hang on. 2 gloves up.
Alright guys, see you next week. We've got a very exciting one for you next week.
Oh, we've got a good, important guest.
Yep. And it's our last lockdown show.
Well, lockdown is exactly over. I think next week they might even let us move more than 25 k's.
You're going to take that leaky boat to Tasmania?
Oh, I hope so. Goodbye.
See you guys. Bye.